Oh no, she's got a flat tyre. Poor lass.
What's happening?
She's got a flat tyre.
Oh no.
I think someone's clipped her car. I think someone's clipped her car and she's got a flat tyre. Right, straight off. I don't think anyone's going to...
I'll head down there in a minute. Oh, sorry.
What ran that way? Yeah, she's got them ones down the end. What do you got up here?
I want to see out if you get anything here first on the line back.
Yeah, that's right.
See that glass building?
Yeah.
That little roof there, that's the, I found out that's the National Crime Agency.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What, 48? Rutland House?
Oh, Rutland House is home to, funny enough, Marston's Bailiffs.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's Marston Bailiffs there then?
Yeah, that's the
Right, okay, we do that then.
Well, at least they're in there, anyway, Marston's Holdings, I think it is.
Okay, let's go and do that. Okay, so we've got a building here.
Next door to it is the here.
Okay, it's good having TJ with me. It's a minefield of information. So we've got this building here, Rutland House, you've got Marston's Bailiffs, and then next door you've got the NCA, National Crime Agency. So let's go and do both of these and see what happens there. Right.
Rutland House, which I believe is the home for Marston's Holdings, Marston Bailiffs, Marston's Debt Collection.
Let's have a look what's on the...
I should say Marston's on there.
It says MHA. I don't know if that's Marston. You've got Squire, Pattern Blogs, mostly Squire. MHA might be Marston's Holdings.
Marston's there.
Foresters. Security guard's gone straight on the phone. Triggered straight away. So let's have a look. So these got it's protected by Lynn House is the facilities manager. Crime prevention and public safety.
Marston's Holdings.
But it doesn't say on here. There's no phone number on how to contact them. So you actually have to say how to actually make. Yeah, you have to. That sign there is wrong because you actually have to say, even though it's got the name of the person to contact, it doesn't tell you how to contact them.
Number, no.
And under the Data Protection Act.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry?
Who you are, gentlemen?
Yeah, who are you?
I've asked you first.
Well, I'm asking you back.
Well then don't. Could you leave before I call the police, please?
But you can't make me leave from a public place.
I'm not making you leave, I'm asking you to
Okay, I'm
leave.
politely declining your request.
That's fine, okay? Sorry. Lock the doors, please.
We haven't tried to come in.
Public
Doesn't matter,
place.
doesn't matter. It's fine.
It's a public place.
It's on there, it's fine.
Yeah, we are standing there.
Why would you phone the police?
Any reason why you're not following data protection laws?
In what way are we not?
There's no phone number on there.
Is this building not housed the Marston's Debt Collection Agency?
No.
It does, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. I suggest you get your facts straight. This is about the 5th time that we've been attacked by people who think Marston's are on this site.
I'm more interested in why you're not following data protection laws.
I'm not here to answer to you.
I'm not here to answer to you either if you're going to be
I'm
rude.
not asking you to answer to me.
Well, I'm not going to answer
Can
you.
you read?
La. No, I can't read. I'm illiterate.
Just,
No, I'm illiterate. I can't read. I'm
There
illiterate.
are the people and the businesses
Can't
that
read.
are in this building.
Can't read. Well, regardless, I'm still interested in the building, but I'm more interested in why you're not following data protection laws.
Building for a public space. So it doesn't really matter.
Why are you breaching data protection laws on the building?
You?
No, we're not.
Are you?
We're not breaching anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 100%.
You're amazing.
100%.
My privacy.
You've approached me. You know everything about nothing. Absolutely clueless.
You're a very rude man.
Oh, right, and you're not. You're clueless, you are. Absolute clown. Yeah, you're a clown.
I don't know what her problem is. Straight away hostile. See this. Straight away hostile. Right. Block the doors.
Got an extended lunch. God, her attitude straight from the off.
Where is Marston's down?
Don't know. Google it. They've got another entrance there. So you've got Savills and you've got Cushman and Wakefield. I mean, Cushman and Wakefield never reply anyway. So that's 148 Edmund Street. So that's 148 Edmund Street and it's Rutland House.
Well, they were hostile.
Oh, straight away, straight from the off.
Panic for. There's that lady. There's that lady hostile.
What's that over there? Yeah, we'll do them after. Just wait, set up and there. What's that over there? Hotel, Divin and Boston. Yeah, she couldn't, no doubt, on the phone to the police. Oh, there you go, Simons. Same officers, let them come.
She's on the phone, she is.
So whether Marston's are in here or not, I don't know. Oh, and she's using her.
Oh, she's come back as well.
Yeah, came back as well, so.
And come back in on the other.
So that's what I'm going to have to do is put a subject access request in for that now as well. Oh, just create me more work. Where's the NCA? Next one. Do that and after. See if we leave this one. I only give the police a few minutes anyway. They won't take long because we're in the city centre. They're probably going, oh, it's them two bloody photographers again. Especially if the same mob turn up.
She's on the phone to the cops.
It's just someone with a camera. The sirens. Getting closer. Yep, here we go.
Straight through.
I just don't even know where to go, do they?
I think they're just driving past the light now. Other way, mate.
Is this official, what we're doing?
They've gone into lockdown.
Okay.
Public cameraman, because I heard that the Marston Bailiffs were in, debt collection agents were in this building, but I don't know.
Under strict orders not to talk to us. It's the same two girls from before. Sam. TJ. It's the same two girls. Think so. Yeah, don't walk to them, let them come to us.
They're on blue lights as well.
Yeah, there's two lots.
What have they said too for this building?
That's a joke, isn't it? Filming in public.
Filming the public?
Filming in the public.
Filming, what are you filming?
Anything we can see with our eyes.
On the rise?
Anything. Sorry, it's my London accent. You don't understand it. Anything we can see with our eyes. So we're just street photographers.
Ah, we seem very interested in this building.
It's a nice building. Interesting.
There's lots of
Interesting.
other nice. Turn around. That's a much nicer.
Oh no, we've done that already.
Is there someone interested in here?
Are Marston's in here?
A master?
Yeah.
The
Well,
debt
they used
collection
to.
agency.
At Bailiffs.
Okay then. Okay. Well, enjoy.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So that's a yes. So that's a yes straight away.
The police are actually here for us. I don't think they're here for us, you know.
Oh, should we ever wander up there then? See what's going on? Something else might have happened. Oh, I don't know. They're walking back down this way now. Yeah, so this way. I'm not walking to them. They can come to us.
I thought they were doing something up there.
Yeah, if they were, I would have gone and filmed that. So. I think I'll put the soundtrack on, the Bill soundtrack on this one. I can't do that soundtrack. You can actually use that sound. You can actually use that soundtrack.
Oh yeah, they are going in there. Yeah, they go in there. Sensitive, that was it.
Cool, it's half one already.
That door's locked, Constable. They've locked it. They've locked that door. Oh, they're opening it for you, really? No. They were sending all their staff around there, that's all. Oh, public filming. Crazy.
Yeah, I want to know why they're breaching data protection laws. Because it clearly states it in the Act that you have to say who the how to contact.
All right.
That's ambulance.
That's ambulance.
God, they do get triggered up here quick, don't they? I get it in London quite a bit where they threaten to call it or they call and nothing happens, and you stay there for ages and no one turns up. And I think sometimes they just get educated on the call by the call handlers, depending who the call handler is. Yeah, and I want to ask them why they've come on blues, because thing is, it's not them, it's the call handlers. They grade it. Yeah, grade 1. Yeah, why is it a grade 1? And why have they rung 999? You know, where's the emergency?
Yeah, that's about stuff. Have a good day.
Always.
Yeah, always.
Until our rights are infringed.
What's that, sorry?
Until our rights are infringed.
Okay, well, I'm not infringing it.
No, I'm not saying you are.
No. So, I mean, what's our plans today? What are we...
Quick question, can you identify yourself first, please?
well, you've got my column number right there.
Yeah, as per policy. Can you
It's
identify?
policy, yeah? Can you read? Have you got? Does your eyesight work? Just checking.
Now you're being rude.
No, I'm not. I'm asking.
Right, okay.
Does your eyesight work? If you're visually impaired, then obviously I can
well, I'm
make
wearing
it work.
glasses, aren't I?
Yeah,
So,
and that's
so
what I'm asking.
so as per Home Office procedure, can you?
I'm just being friendly. I'm asking. Can you checking? Can you read my collar number?
Well, no, that's what I'm asking.
You can't read my collar
No,
number.
I can't.
So
No.
that's 24782. If you can't read it.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's all I'm doing now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No problem.
We can play the games if you want to play the games.
Yeah.
I'm just going to be friendly. I'm having.
Okay, it's fine.
I'm looking to do nothing
Okay.
towards here. Same as you, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So, can I ask what we're actually doing around
Okay.
here at the
Can
moment?
before we move on, I'm happy to have a chat with you.
Yeah, yeah.
No problem at all. But can I have the CAD number, please?
Have a what number?
CAD
Log
number.
number.
Log number.
Log number
Yeah.
at the moment. Well, at the moment you've not called up as such.
No,
so
they have. But I'm entitled to the log number.
Well, it depends if you're the suspect as such.
Okay. So we're not detained then.
You're not detained at the moment, no. But it's other people. If they wanted the log number, they're the ones that have called up, so they're entitled to it as such. You yourselves.
So I'm
If you
entitled.
used to- if
I'm
you used to
entitled.
call-
I'm
if you
entitled
used
to the log number.
If you used to call up and make any issues, then by all means you can call up and chase things up. If you're willing to provide your details onto log, I can then.
Is
provide
there a
those.
legal reason that I need to
No.
provide my details?
But if I want to provide your log number, I'm not just giving log numbers out to any willy-nilly member of the public,
Okay.
for instance, who we go to.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. We'll see what the Chief Counsel says about that.
Okay, by all means, like I say, I'm just making sure I don't do any data breaches.
Well, it's not a
that
data breach. Give me a CAD
unnecessary.
number. It's not a data breach because
Certain log numbers have
I can put a,
confidential information that
right,
some
I can
people
put
shouldn't be privy to.
I can put a subject, yeah, but then the information will be redacted from it, you know. So, you
By all
know,
means,
I can
I'm
put
not
a
gonna
I can
provide
put
you
I
the
can.
log number 'cause
Okay,
I don't
fine.
feel like there's a good intention of you taking it. If you're not happy with that,
Okay,
you are
okay.
obviously very
Can
well
I
versed
can I explain
how to
the reason
make
why I
any
want it?
complaints about myself. By all means.
Yeah, right. The reason I want it because I can put a subject access request in on that. Then I can then view that recording to see if it matches to the video, which is always rolling. Is the witness that never lies.
Are
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So if it doesn't match, then it's a false report, false police report, which is a criminal offence.
Well, here,
So
tell you what.
Yeah.
By all means, I'm still not going to provide your log number.
Okay,
But if you want to make the complaints, you can chase up the log
Yeah.
number if you
Yeah.
feel you have entitlements to it. And you can chase up
Yeah.
my collar number that will be attached to log numbers for
Yeah.
this state. You
Okay.
can chase up the log
Okay.
number
What
I've been
what
to.
police station is attached
I'm
to?
based at Digbuff Police Station.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Digbuff Police Station.
Digbuff. How'd you spell that? I'm not from this area, so I don't know where it is.
DIGBETH.
Okay,
It's in
thank
the
you.
city centre, basically. I'm the
Okay.
city centre as a police officer.
Okay.
Okay.
And the force policy, you have forgotten something as well.
What's that, sorry?
Forgot to let us know you're recording.
I don't have to let you know I'm
You
recording.
do, you do.
You
It's
do.
force policy.
Yes, you
Again,
do,
by all
again.
means, fellas, if you want to make complaints
Yeah,
about
we'll
that,
do.
you're more than welcome to.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay. I'm not causing any fuss. This
Yeah.
is not going to public domain or anything. This is just
Doesn't
recorded
matter.
for my
You're-
safety, your safety.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
sure,
you're
again,
you're,
you're
First
both
available
well aware
opportunity
of it.
is
first
what
off,
to
yeah. Look, as per
Anyway,
your policies and
can we
procedures.
just get back to the point here at the moment?
Am
know
I,
you've got
am I
lots of
detained?
questions.
Am I
You're
detained?
not detained.
Well, I don't need to
right
speak to you
now.
then. So if
Well,
you,
don't need
if
to speak
see,
to me.
thing is, I'm happy to speak to you, but I'm not going to speak to a potentially corrupt officer because if you're not prepared to follow the basic procedures,
I'm going to
then
provide-
you're a
okay,
corrupt
right,
officer.
Just let me. Can I speak now? for
Yeah,
a
of course you
second? Okay. So we've had a call here. Obviously, you guys are recording stuff outside. There's no problem with that.
Yeah.
I just need to make sure that you're, which I'm pretty sure you are, very aware of your boundaries.
Yeah.
Making sure you're not intimidating, harassing anyone.
100%.
Where we get called back and we have to deal with things that I won't have to deal with. Okay.
Yeah.
So by all means, if you want to carry on recording around here, knock yourselves out. Have a great day.
Yeah.
But I think they mentioned that you was chasing up some company. I'll just
Well, no.
create to them that company
I-
you was mentioning to them doesn't exist there
Okay.
anymore.
I'm more interested in the data protection breach that they've got.
Okay, well, as far as that
So-
stuff goes, it's not criminal. It doesn't give you a right to go inside that building and harass their
Hang on.
employee.
Have they
Please
accused
give
me
a
for going
second.
in there? Okay.
No, they haven't, but I'm making sure you don't cross that
Yeah.
line in the future.
Yeah. Yeah.
And as far as this breaching the protection stuff, by all means, you'd be able to go through legal
Yeah, I can go
avenues
through
if
the
you want to
ICO,
make
yeah.
those kind of
Yeah, yeah,
complaints
yeah.
there. Just make sure you don't try taking the law into your own hands on those instances.
Well, what makes you think I'll
okay?
take the law into my own
I'm
matters?
not saying you are, I'm just making sure you're aware not to.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. See, the thing is, I don't incriminate myself on
I'm
camera.
not saying you do. And
You
by
know,
the
but it's
same
ama-
time,
but it's
sure
amazing
I've
that people do
incriminated
incrim-
myself
Yeah,
10
absolutely.
times over here
Yeah.
at the moment.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you're aware. I'm just trying to do my job. Make sure
We
you guys
want
carry
you-
on doing your day, pursuing whatever justice that you're trying to pursue, making sure as
Yeah.
like I said,
Yeah.
these
Well,
lovely
you've-
Look,
people in this
I-
building
I-
are
not followed
entitled to
I
the
totally
police
want you.
principles.
Yeah.
And you've
And
not
by all
followed
means-
force policy
and-
anyway, so...
And as you've said, you've pulled me up on that as well, and I'm happy for you to make complaints about
Yeah.
that. I have identified myself as the police officer. If you're not happy with what I'm doing, you know.
Yeah, but you haven't-
two
yeah,
probably
yeah,
know
but you
much
haven't-
better than I do about making a complaint against myself. Okay.
Yeah. Well, obviously, I know more about your policies as well because
It
you're not
sounds like
you're not
you do.
following
It
them.
Sounds like you are very well versed.
Oh,
on
I am
all
100%. I am.
this.
Yeah.
So, by all means.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got any other questions for myself?
No.
No? Like I said, just remind you again, please make sure we don't harass anyone
You
there.
don't
I'm not
need
saying
any-
you
you
have
don't
done,
need
not
any
saying you
directives
have
'cause we
done.
haven't done
Please
anything.
don't harass no one, intimidate no one. I don't want a further call back
Unless
where
you
we have
suspect
to
that's already
take
taken
more
place,
positive
there's no need to
action
give any
if there's-
directives for it. There's no
Okay.
need to give any directives.
That's well. I'm just making sure I've got it recorded that I have warned you again. So if stuff does cross the line later on, then as our
You don't need
records
to
will
warn
show,
us because there's no offences, so there's no
There's
need
no
to warn
offence,
us.
so-
at all.
If
Yeah.
it was an offence, it wouldn't be a warning, would it?
No.
I'm trying to advise you
Yeah.
against crossing those lines. Okay?
Yeah. Say please,
have-
please,
So,
say
again,
please, no feelings
I don't
then.
need your names, but you don't have to provide your names. No.
No, it's not a legal reason
Whatever
to.
your name is, sir. Whatever your name is, sir. Have a lovely day. Okay.
Well, you'll find out what my name is when the report goes in. So.
By all means, I'm sure that'll definitely come back to me. when
Yeah,
we get
100%.
filed at source.
Yeah,
Have a great
100%. See you at professional standards.
Disappointing. He's giving pointless directives,
Yeah.
and
Right.
not identifying the first available opportunity, not letting us know his body one was recorded the first available
Yeah.
opportunity as per West Midlands Police policy. So,
Yeah. Well, we can't leave until they leave anyway. So.
no, he's not followed force policy for one. So
Yeah. Well, that's why I called him a cops officer.
public space filming, and he's trying to give us pointless directives when we've not once tried to enter the property, which is a civil matter anyway. So. Trying to give him ammunition to use against
Yeah.
us here. Absolute joke. So if they had reported harassment, alarm and distress, he would have locked us up, would he? Joker.
Okay. Well, that's called the walk of shame, by the way.
Absolute muppet. He's trying to give the people in there ammunition to use.
Right, you know,
against
he's
us.
gone into the NCA now to say that we're should have done the NCA first.
Oh, man.
Okay, so right, so it's what we're going to do. We're going to go and film the NCA.
Yeah.
Because we're not at that building, so we've left that building, and we'll go on to the National Crime Agency.
Seems to be getting called out quite a bit at the minute.
So this is the NCA. So that's Foxtrot Oscar number 1. So National Crime Agency are here. We're doing the building up there as well if you want to go and tell them.